the city of Nazareth. Ah, Nazareth. How long have I wanted to come to Nazareth? Nazareth is a city which is compacted together, but today it's considered to be a city. In the time of Jesus Christ, it was not a city. It was not even a village. Okay, it was a small settlement. According to the biblical or to the archaeologists who had uncovered Nazareth, who were excavated here, only 200 people lived in Nazareth in the time of Christ. And the people were quite poor, so poor that they had to live in caves. They couldn't afford to live in the city or to build homes. Anyways, with that said, friends, let's get ready. We're about to get down from the bus. We're going to be visiting the Basilica first, and then we're going to go for lunch, which is beside the Basilica, meaning we're not going to be meeting the bus for an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes, okay? If you need to get something for instance, medicine or something like that, please bring it with you, because for the next hour and a half, hour 45 minutes, we'll be outside the bus, okay? Oh, okay po? Nazareth has 26 churches, 20 mosques, 10 schools, Catholic schools and Protestant schools, and 3 Christian hospitals. 2 belong to the Catholics, 1 to the Protestants. And even though, ladies and gentlemen, the total population is 100,000, only 45% are Christian, there's a Christian vibe here that the entire city closes on a Sunday. The Shabbat in Nazareth is on a Sunday, not on a Saturday. Alright, so we're about to arrive. I'm going to get the vouchers ready and get your bags ready as well. Okay po, thank you.
I-explain mo na ni ko ano? Pastor Mendez, katong dito siya. Bago lang. Ito ba ito yung reason na to? Umurag na apod.
May backslide na sila na. Backslide na din.
So good na ganyan siyang dilo dari tol.
Buwas ilahang kan kanang kalabasa ang sa gana
Watermelon.
dili kanang sa other term for kalabasa.
Spanish class.
Pumpkin.
Mungkin. Gimingaw na. Gimingaw.
Isa to baby. Sweet.
Gimingaw good.
Kamu no? Sa
lang mo. 2019.
Oh, dito siya sa Nasarete siya nagtubo. Sumala siyang nabatasan.
Hindi, karon tol.
Wala na. Sandy keeper na.
Oo na. Di rin na po siya nasarit ng gingana, no? Still,
Imbis nga diri siya nagtubo, no?
na nagikatumanan gid ang mga prophecy.
I-change na nila ang Sabbath day diri.
Mm.
Yung balay ni Jesus Christ, babaydan pa kayo.
Ang
Balay.
dili dire sa Capernaum.
Bahan lang.
Sinagog. Sinagog. Okay, mga karaftap. Ha?
Doon sa gabana.
Ang usan eh. Kang liwin ang nahak.
O, isa.
Sige. Kara, bahalag mahak. Basta di lang ka mapadalag kwarta. Yan ang kabalak.
Win ang
Wiwin.
ad. Ayaw.
No, didi. Didi, wiwin. Nahak, dahil nahak. Shopping.
Ito ba shopping?
Okay, mga karuftap, mayong hapon, mayong udto, mayong buntag, o mayong gabi. Naatad karon diri sa Nazaret. Kini nga lugar mga higala mga karuftap. Mao ni ang lugar nga diin dinhi si Kristo nagtubo, no? Basa nato ang Lucas 4:16 nga nagaingon dito og niadto si Jesus sa Nazaret din siya nagtubo. O sumala sa iyahang nandan, o sumala sa iyang nabatasan, siya mipahulay. Misulod sa sinubuga o mipahulay sa adlaw nga Sabado.